As the mobile market continues to grow enormously, and with the demand for apps exploding, the mobile app creation business has never had more tempting opportunities. In order to successfully join this industry as an Android mobile app developer, you will need a good understanding of the tools and technologies you need to do things efficiently. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn about one of the mobile app development tools in the market, Android Studio. Google launched Android Studio in 2013. Since its launch, many developers have chosen it as their preferred environment for app development. Android Studio is Google's official integrated development environment, or IDE, for building apps that run on Android operating systems. It provides developers with features that not only improve the development of their apps, but also the overall quality of work. This IDE supports various languages for app development, such as Kotlin, Java, C++, and more with extensions. Before outlining the functionalities of Android Studio, let's take a moment to explore some of its key features. These include a complete build system, which will allow you to compile and build your Android app, a fast emulator that simulates Android devices on your computer for testing your apps on different devices, the ability to build apps for different types of Android devices, free project templates for quick development, and support for third-party integrations. Android Studio comprises essential tools that enable developers to deliver high-quality apps within a single environment. The Toolbar provides a wide range of actions, such as running your app on an emulator or physical device. The navigation bar allows you to navigate and access project files. It gives a sleeker view of the structure visible in the project window. The editor window allows you to make changes to code. This is dependent on the existing file type. The tool window bar runs around the outside of the IDE window and gives you access to specific tasks like project management, search, version control, and more. It contains buttons that allow you to expand or collapse these individual tool windows. Finally, the status bar displays the status of your project and the IDE itself, as well as any warnings or messages. In this video, you've learned that Android Studio not only supports various languages for mobile app development, but also includes functionalities that will aid you as you start developing your own apps. In fact, there are even more ways that Android Studio can assist you with app development, which you can look forward to learning about later.